Hey guys, welcome back to Hey guys, welcome back to Jess and Trev Vlogs. Happy Friday the 13th. Ooh, spooky Friday the 13th. We have some fun stuff planned for tonight. We are going to go see an outdoor showing of Hocus Pocus. I am super excited. My favorite Halloween movie is Hocus Pocus, so I'm so excited to go see it outside on Friday the 13th. Ooh, I look like a ghost. Outside on Friday the 13th, I'm so excited. I have my black cat earrings on. Ooh, focus, black cat earrings. And I have my It's Just a Bunch of Hocus Pocus shirt on. So I am ready. And it's exciting because me and Trev are both off work. We are actually off for a week together. We are so excited. We have some fun stuff planned. But right now, I am about to go pick up my niece because my little niece is going to go with us to see it. And then we're going to meet my mom and some of my family. But it's going to be really fun. I'm excited. And here we go. So I'm on my way to get my niece. And I just wanted to know, like, just comment below and tell me what your favorite Halloween movie is. I'm always so interested because a lot of people, like, I don't even know how many. Oh my gosh, that motorcycle was so loud. I don't even know like how many different Halloween movies there is. I mean, Hocus Pocus is my favorite, but I know there's like, oh, I just hit a button. Oh, sorry. There's like Nightmare Before Christmas and like what other, oh my gosh, I'm gonna sound so stupid because I know there's other Halloween movies obviously, but like what, I mean, I know like Halloween, like the adult Halloween movies, but like I always feel like my favorite Halloween movies are like kids Halloween movies, like not the really scary ones, even though I do sometimes like scary movies. But just comment below what your favorite Halloween movie is and why it's your favorite. Oh, alright, so you take the ghost out, take him out. Pull. Okay, we're gonna put it in this one. Because it's the 13th day of Halloween, so let's put it in. Push it in there. Yeah, good job. So we're counting down the days, and then that's Halloween Day for the pumpkin. Look, what's that?
Owl.
An owl. Like, oh, what's that?
A kitchen. This one yours.
It is just like ours. We have an owl black cat, just like ours. Just like Ollybug. What's that? Oh, look at that one.
What's the Kit Kat go?
I don't know. Let's find it. Let's find Kit Kat. See him? Look, come over here. Well, not, yeah. Look right there. Stretch. See him?
Can I see?
You see? Kit Kat. Where's our other one? Look up there.
Another one.
Another one. Where's two of them?
I don't know. Holly.
Look, Jordan.
Oh. It's the oven. It's your oven.
You want to come pet him?
Jordan. Say hello.
Oh.
Say hello.
Oh.
Say hey, Pappy.
Hey, Pappy. Which playing Kit Kat?
Say we're playing with Kit Kat. Oh, that may be at, do you know where like the hospital is? That field behind YMCA, that may be that, I don't know. Where are you at? All right, we're going.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, I lost her again. Where is she at? Guess we're just gonna have to look really hard to find her. Jordan Grace. There you are! She's gone again. Where'd she go? I can hear her. I can hear her, but I can't find her. Where is she at? Oh, I can't find her. I can't find her. Where is she? Jordan Grace, come on, I need to find you. Where is she at? Grace. There you are. Oh, she's gone again.
Open it.
Open it? I can't open it. How are we gonna get the money out?
She's smart.
You think if we take that out, the money will come out? You think so?
Sure.
Sure. All right. Do you want a couple coins?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I can get it out. See Uncle Trevor open it. Oh look! Money! Let's see what comes out. Whoa!
You want to eat some more?
Want some more? Look at there. Where's the stopper? You pushed it in?
Yeah, it fell in.
Oh, crap.
Here.
Feeding the piggy. Say nom 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 nom.
Nom, 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 nom.
Get it in there. So let's see.
Nom, 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 nom.
Nom, 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 nom. Ready? Nom 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 nom.
Nom, 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 nom.
Nom 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 nom.
Nom, 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 nom.
Nom 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 nom. What? Where is he? Oh no!
It won't slide, huh?
Oh, okay. Yeah, to our house. You gonna come to my house one day?
Look at your mouth.
What is it? Is it lipstick? Huh? Huh? Give me sugar. Now you got it done. You gonna tell Trevor bye?
Can I get some sugars? Mwah.
I love you.
I love you.
Goodbye to Nancy. Bye. Bye, Nancy. See you later. You gonna keep me up all night? Yep. Are you gonna sleep? Okay, good.
Yeah, put the one on the other side.
I got my black cat for Friday the 13th. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe. And we'll see you next time.